My name is Saurabh Sharma, and I would be continuing on with my topic of get into the action habit. So, last week uh, I shared about that to get anything in this world, it is simply an action or an idea that was acted upon that made our life easier, or that made that those things happen in our life nowadays. I also shared about activationist and passivationist, what qualities they possess, and also shared a couple of stories related to the traits of the activationist and passivationist. Continuing on that, I would like to share a few points that would get you into action habit. So let's start. So the first thing is to be an activationist means then when you are tasked with someone or you want to do something, do not delay that, do not procrastinate that, be a doer, do not delay that, don't not be a don'ter. Okay. And this the second point, it is, it happens with most of us, that if you want to do some work, or we have something in mind, some goal in mind, and we will think that if the conditions are like that, or if the situations are like that, means that would be the perfect stage when I will start it. But actually there is no perfect condition, and conditions will never be perfect. As Vijay had shared, that if you have 40% clearance or 40% understanding of your goal, you can start with it. And when the obstacles and difficulties would come, you solve them as and when you encounter them. So even if you are failing, you are not a failure, you will be starting from your experience. So do not wait until the conditions are perfect. Third point I would like to share, that our ideas, our thoughts, they alone won't bring the success. We have to act upon that. A very simple example for that is our health. If we have to work on our health, merely thinking on that won't bring any change, or won't give us our desired result. We have to act on that. We have to do our walking, exercising, and all the stuff that would make us healthy. So our ideas won't bring success to us, and we have to use our actions to cure our fear and gain confidence. Whatever the mindset we have is, we tend to go for the simpler things first. But if we would do the difficult things first, that would boost our confidence, and that will make our fear disappear. So just try to do the difficult things, or take the charge of difficult things first. And next is to start your mental engine mechanically. Don't wait for anyone to come to you to move you. Just take your action, and you have to move yourself. This the next point, this is a very good point, is live in now. Think in terms of now, and whatever things are coming to you, just say that you have to start right now. Don't think that I would be doing it tomorrow, next week, later. Don't delay it, don't procrastinate it, because if you will delay it, it would never start, and you won't be able to work on that. So be a person that would say that I'm starting right now. And uh, continuing on that, so get down to your work. Do not waste any time. Do not say that, do not delay it, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Start acting. If it is in your mind, start working on it. And always seize the initiative. Don't wait that there would be someone else who would be coming and giving you some direction, or someone else would be taking charge of any work, and you would just follow him. So you have to show your ability and ambition to be a volunteer and seize the initiative. So so get into the action habit. Live in now. Thank you. That is what I would like to say. Thanks.
Wonderful, Saurabh. Amazing PPT, amazing presentation.